Imagine walking to a home that cleans itself. No vacuuming, no mopping, not even wiping down counters. Sounds futuristic? It's already happening. From AI-powered robots to eco-friendly tech and smart sanitizers. The future of cleaning is here. And it's cleaner, smarter, and a whole lot easier. Let's dive into the trends that are about to change how you clean forever. In this video, we're diving deep into the emerging trends that are transforming the way we are cleaning our homes, offices, and public spaces. From bacteria-fighting light bulbs to robot vacuums that know your living room better than you do. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. By the end of this video, you'll either be throwing away your mop or upgrading something like straight out of a Marvel movie. So let's grab a cup of coffee or disinfectant and let's jump in. Let's start with the elephant in the room, or should we say the robot in the room. Smart cleaning devices are no longer just Roombas bumping into the furniture. We're talking about intelligent machines that map your home, learn your cleaning preferences, and even empty themselves. Brands like Roborock and EcoVacs are leading the pack with robots that vacuum, mop, and avoid obstacles with laser precision. Some even detect different types of dirt and adjust cleaning intensity in real time. And it's not just the floors. Window cleaning robots are now a thing. So are self-cleaning litter boxes and even toilets with AI-powered sensors. In the future, your cleaning devices will have a software updates, just like your smartphone. And yes, you might even talk to them like, hey, clean bot, clean the kitchen for me. Boom, and it's done. Since 2020, plastic jugs, harsh chemicals, and landfill clogging wipes, the green revolution is hitting the cleaning aisles hard. We're seeing a massive shift towards refillable, biodegradable, and non-toxic cleaning products. Think dissolvable cleaning tablets, usable spray bottles, and ingredients you can actually pronounce, like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Brands like Blueland, Grove, Puracy are leading the charge, and it's not just about saving the planet. These products are safe for your pets, your kids, and let's be real, your lungs. In the future, expect cleaning product supplies to look more like skincare, minimum clean, and Instagrammable. Let's not forget DIY natural cleaners. They're not just for crunchy hippies anymore. With viral TikToks, Pinterest, and boards dedicated to homemade solutions, going green is going mainstream. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to check out the other playlists on the channel. There's a lot more where this came from, packed with tips, trends, and tools to help you stay ahead of the curve. You remember when you used to wipe down groceries during the pandemic? Well, things got a little more high-tech since then. Enter the UVC light. The little superhero in light spectrum can kill 99.9% of the bacteria and viruses on surfaces and air and even your phone. We're talking about sanitizing wands, self-cleaning bottles, and HVAC systems with built-in UV sanitizers. And then you got your antimicrobial coatings, materials treated to kill or inhibit germs on contact. Hospitals have been using these for years, but now they're popping up in homes, public transport, and even on the doorknobs. In the future, cleanliness won't just be about removing dirt. It will be about fighting invisible enemies, and UV might be just the new best friend. So let's zoom out a bit. Commercial cleaning is going through its own robotic revolution. You're probably seeing those floor scrubbing bots in the airports or grocery stores. But did you know some of them can operate completely autonomously now? Companies are using AI and IoT, Internet of Things, to schedule cleaning during low traffic times, traffic usage patterns, and even detect when soap dispensers are low. Some buildings now have self-cleaning elevator buttons and antimicrobial light switches. And yes, restrooms that clean themselves are a real thing. Welcome to the future. Expect these innovations to trickle down into our everyday experience. That sparkling airport terminal, it might be setting the standard for your future home. If you ever subscribe to Netflix or HelloFresh, imagine doing that for your cleaning supplies or service. Subscription models are booming in the cleaning industry. Monthly deliveries of eco-friendly refills, check. Automated laundry services that pick up and drop off at your door, also check. This trend taps into the conveniences and consistency in the customization. The cleaning company of the future doesn't just clean your home. They learn your habits, predict your needs, and show up before you even realize you're out of toilet cleaner. Some startups are even offering subscription-based robotic maintenance, like tune-ups, part replacements, and software updates. Welcome to the cleaning as a service. Cleaning isn't just about scrubbing surfaces, it's about clearing mental clutter. The minimalist lifestyle, made popular by Maria Kondo and the less is more movement, is driving people to buy fewer things, which means less to clean. And there's science behind it. Studies show clutter can increase cortisol levels and make people feel overwhelmed. Future cleaning might be less about elbow grease and more about emotional peace. Expect the rise in digital decluttering apps, virtual organization coaches, and tools that help you digitalize documents, photos, and even the kids' artwork. Less stuff, less mess, less stress. This one sounds futuristic, but it's already happening. AI-powered systems are learning your daily pattern and using data to predict when and where messes will happen. Your fridge might warn you when it's due for a wipe down. Your air purifier might adjust based on the pollen levels outside. Your cleaning robot might coordinate with your calendar to avoid Zoom meetings. The idea here is anticipation over reaction. Cleaning becomes seamlessly invisible and proactive, and honestly, that's kind of cool. Imagine a home that just stays clean, and that's where we're heading. So what does the future of cleaning look like? It's smart, it's sustainable, it's hands-free, and above all, it's evolving fast. Whether you're a team robot vacuum or a die-hard mop warrior, one thing's for sure, cleaning will never be the same. And hey, if you're still scrubbing grout with toothbrushes in 2025, you're doing it all wrong. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what cleaning trend are you most excited about? Until next time, keep it clean and stay curious.